Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the Hey Chuck stamp set, very cute stamp set, along with the Sweetest Cherries, the embossing folder, Twisted Rope 3D embossing folder, as well as the Stylish Shapes dies, okay? It's a bunch of products. But before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we're going to start off with our Welcome In Paper Pumpkin Kit for June. You have until the 10th of June to subscribe to get this particular Paper Pumpkin Kit that makes 9 cards and has a Night of Navy stamping spot. And it also has an add-on kit that you can purchase separately that includes 3 dies for $6. These are the dies here. And that item number is 163192, and that is while supplies last, and they do sell out pretty quickly. I should have checked, but I did not check before recording this video, so as far as I know, they're still available. Next up, we have our May 2023 host code. This is the code I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up. However, when you place an order of $60 or more and you use this host code, Honeybee Stampin' Hive will send you 1 pack of the opaque ovals for free. And if you use this host code and spend $75 or more, I'm going to also send you a Delightfully Eclectic Designer Series paper sampler pack, okay? So $75 will get you these 2 things. $60 before shipping and tax will get you the opaque ovals by themselves, all right? Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the boxes that I am selling to get my craft room emptied out so I can move to my smaller space. They're filled with new and used retired Stampin' Up products. The boxes are $40 each. That includes shipping. And I can only ship in the US, okay? And these boxes are as is because they're used product. And that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's go ahead and get started on our project because we got a lot of stuff to do. I'm going to start by stamping on some scrap basic white. Let me get my scrap paper. Got some scrap paper here. So let's do some stamping. I have some the Tuxedo Memento Black ink here. And we're going to stamp one of our little, what are these, roosters? We're going to stamp little Chuck right there. We are going to stamp on this one. Oh, I didn't get it out. Let's get out the fence. We're going to stamp our fence here. Oh, that's kind of going wonky. Let me see if I can do that better. I want it kind of straight because I need to add another one on there like that. Okay, so I think that is it for the basic black. So next we have our Old Olive ink, and we're going to stamp a sentiment in Old Olive. We're going to stamp that right in the middle, just like that. Then we're going to move these to the side and come with a piece. This is 2 3/4 by 3 3/4 of basic white. We're going to get our wild wheat. And we have the stamp from the Sweetest Cherries. Yeah, Sweetest Cherry. And we're going to ink this up. We're going to stamp it right in this corner here. And then right next to it without inking up again, okay? And we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to turn it, stamp in the corner here, and then right here without inking up again, okay? So that is all of the stamping done. Next, we are going to color. So I have our Deep 200 Stampin' Blend. So we're going to take this and color our little fence post. Okay, we got that all colored in. We're going to move that to the side. Then we're going to get our little Chuck here, And we're going to color him. I got the colors from this from one of the cards in the catalog. I think it's on page 49, 48, something like that. And I just used the colors from there. So I have some red. This is the dark red. Let me just give you the colors because I'm probably going to speed through this. I have dark red, misty moonlight, balmy blue, mossy meadow, Cajun craze, daffodil delight, and pebbled path. Okay. Okay, so now that I have all the pieces colored and stamped, we're going to do some die cutting and fussy cutting because I ordered the dies for this set. They haven't gotten here yet because I thought I put in the number for the bundle, but I just did the stamp set. So these are coming. So we're going to fussy cut, and I'll be right back after I die cut and fussy cut everything. Okay, so let's bring back all of our pieces. And I went ahead and die cut out of some old olive, a banner that this can layer on. Then I also ran a piece of Blackberry Bliss that is 5 1/4 by 4 through the twisted rope embossing folder. And we're going to layer, we are going to layer, but this is a piece of wild wheat that is 3 by 4. And our card base is 8 1/2 by 5 1/2 scored at 4 1/4 in Blackberry Bliss. So we're going to just put everything together. Oh, and I went ahead and done the inside. This is the inside of the card. So I've done that ahead of time because that is a lot of coloring. And you already watched me color the little chuck on the outside. I used the same colors to color the one on the inside. Did a little ivory for the shadow underneath the feet. Did the little cake here with not rich raspberry, Blackberry Bliss and Daffodil Delight with a little bit of red. Okay, so let's put our twisted rope. I just wanted to add some interest to this background. So we're doing the twisted rope layer, and we're going to do it flat. Okay, and then we're going to take this. Whoops. We're going to layer this onto our wild wheat. Then we're going to pop this right in the middle of our card. Right in the middle. As close to the middle as you can get it. Let's go ahead and layer our sentiment onto the old olive banner. Try to make it straight. I don't know what it is about me and straight. That is not straight. Okay. So then we're going to get, no, this can get layered. Not layered, but, oh. I had stuff stamped on the back. I didn't even realize. I must have been grabbing scraps out of my pile of trial and error when I was creating this card. So let's put this about, because we're going to have our little Chuck here. We're going to put this one about right there. Just like that. Now we can get some Stampin' Dimensionals. We're gonna pop this stuff up. So let's get some on the back of our sentiment here. And use 4. Get it popped up on our card. I'm gonna put this about right here. You rule the roost. And then we're gonna pop up our little Chuck. All of these things are going to be called Chuck. Since it says, hey, Chuck. I think that should be enough. Yeah, 3 should be enough. Can you guys believe I'm only putting 3? I really do want to put some smaller ones in these other spaces, but I'm not going to do it. And we're going to have this one right here on the edge of this fence. Just like that. And that is the card done. No bling, just that. Let me show you. I made this card in another colorway. It's garden green with some blueberry bushel and early espresso. Then I stamped in the pecan pie. I think the fence is in pecan pie as well. But everything else, this is colored the same as that on the inside. Cute, right? But that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.